Hey everyone, today I am here to show you an easy trick of putting liner, liquid liner. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So today I am using Maybelline Colossal Liquid Liner. So the first thing you have to keep in mind is whenever you take it, the first stroke should be minimal. See, it is now filled with liner. So we have to just swap it like this so that all the excess products stay in the bottle. What you have to do, don't start from the inner corner. Not at all. You have to start from the mid. See, this is the mid. You have to start and stay very close. And don't just try to, if you are a beginner, don't just try to swap it in one line. Just draw a little stroke. Now you have to continue that stroke. See, here no line. Again, I'll dip my liner, means my brush, and get rid of the excess product, and then I will continue from here. Now if you want to make wing, you can make wing. If you don't, you can leave it here. I am making a wing so that you can see if you want to make a wing. So what you have to do, you have to see, simple stroke. The thinner the stroke, the more it will look graceful and beautiful. Now if you think it is completed, no, this part is left. Why we have not done in the starting? Because when we start in the starting, can you see here, it is little thicker. So all the thickness comes here because in the starting we tend to put a lot of product. So what I will do, I am not putting the brush or the applicator again in the bottle. The remaining will work. What I am doing, I am just swiping it in a slight motion. Now you can see how I am applying properly on my another eye. So I have completed my another eye also. Now we think that eyeliner is done and our part is done. We are good to go. Yes, we are good to go. But to complete the eyeliner look, and one thing is that whether you put liner or not put liner, it's your choice. But it is very important to put a mascara. Yes, mascara can do wonders in your look. If you are wearing no makeup look, if you are wearing any look, mascara is a big must. So you have to put the mascara. What I will do, I have eyeliner on both my eyes. I'll put mascara on my one eye so you can see the difference. Now if you can see, it is not showing like, oh, I have put lashes or I am looking fancy. No, see, these lashes, because of the face makeup, these lashes are something white because of all the product, my look is completed. Now this was it for the video. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then please hit the like button. There is no harm. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. What else? Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Please subscribe.